Hi friends, this is electric plate for like the switch, and you can see it is from Leviton, and you can see all the details here. This is just like pretty much straight forward use for the plate, like just on the top, and you can see like this is pretty much have a rounded or the soft corners, and then comes with the 2 screws in white color, easily attachable to your existing socket. Nothing like this is like the switch, and basically it looks like this is for like the small switches, because I have the gang of like 2 switch, and this is little smaller. This is for the Wi-Fi or dimmable type of switches, like a little smaller switches for the dimension. So I'm not able to show it like fixing it somewhere, because I have all like the big plate sockets. But if you see, it's pretty much plain to do. It's pretty solid and it's good color and stuff. Good.